Watch what happens when I press this button. In under 5 minutes, this single YouTube video will transform into a fully SEO optimized listing, and it will give me 10 ready to publish posts across every platform. Before I discovered this AI tool, my YouTube workflow was a mess. I'd spent hours crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompt, and I even put that together in this guide that I could reference later. My YouTube SEO wasn't really that optimized, and it still took me a few hours to get a good title, description, and the right keywords that I wanted to use. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how Taja AI completely replaced that whole process. How to do proper keyword research with this new tool, how it instantly generates YouTube titles that people will click on, and how it writes YouTube descriptions that actually rank on YouTube. I will show you the way that it creates perfect short-form clips from your long-form videos, and how you can customize the short-form content. I will show you the simple way that it turns your video into a LinkedIn and a Twitter post. My mistake, X post. And I will show you exactly how to schedule your content so that you will always post something no matter what day of the week it is, without you having to actually make all of this content. I know this sounds like a lot, but I'm putting it into bite-sized chunks, so I hope it's easy to understand. And stick around until the end, because I will reveal the secret feature that doubled the views on my old forgotten videos. And this is something that I haven't seen anyone else talking about. If you're a content creator like me that spends hours on optimization instead of creation, this might be the most important tool that you'll discover this whole year. Let's get right to it. The tool that we're going to use for this is called Taja AI. If you use the link in the description, you get a free trial. And I'm also speaking with the founders right now, and it looks like they will give me a discount code that if you use that, you will also get a discount if you actually end up signing up for the paid version. So once you click on the link in the description, you can log in with your Google account, and it will activate the free trial. After that, you connect to your YouTube account. And if you wanted to post on X and on your TikTok accounts, you can also connect these as well. I don't have an Instagram account yet where I post my reels, but once I create that, I will also connect that here as well. On the homepage, you can see that you can start optimizing here by entering a link to your video either on YouTube or on another platform. But instead of analyzing a video that I've already published, I'm going to show you an exact use case of how I use this tool to publish my content and how it saves me so much time. Once I'm on the homepage, instead of clicking on this link icon here, I'm going to upload my video to Taja AI. I go to my file where I have it saved and I upload it to the platform. Now that it's uploaded, I'm going to click on the start button right here. It's uploading the content and it's doing the AI analysis for you in just a few seconds. This video is about how to use 11 Labs in order to translate your content into different languages and make money with it. So let's see what kind of titles it came up with. Down here is the title section. It gives you a few options for titles and it ranks them by how viral it thinks it will go. In this case, it gave me a 100 score for the title called Translate Videos to Any Language with AI. That is a really good title for what the video is about. And let's check out the other titles. Boost your views with multilingual video content. So this is emphasizing the benefit that the video is showcasing. And same with the third one. Make passive income translating videos for free. I'm going to keep it at the first one. It ranked it the highest, so I like that. It created a description for me and looked at relevant hashtags and even created chapters so that chapters are automatically added to my video. And it looks like it's a perfect description of what the video is about. And it's already using high-ranking SEO keywords in this description so that the video ranks higher once it's posted on YouTube. And that brings us to the tags. It's doing the keyword research right here where it shows you relevant tags and what relative score they have. Anything over 60 is a really good tag to include in the description as well as in the title. And as we can see here, AI voice cloning and translate video to any language are 60 and 62. And you can see here the monthly search volume for this is 50,000 and the competition score is 56. This is the transcription that it generated, and it's using this transcription in order to generate the title and the description. If the tool could just do this, that would already be super powerful, but it can do more. It can create your thumbnails for you. Let's see how that works in action. Under the section where it says need a thumbnail, click on generate a thumbnail. I selected include captions, so it will create captions right here. This is a really cool thumbnail. I like that. This is a bit plain, and here the text is a little bit too small, so let's recreate that. Let's add a text box and make it bigger and say AI dubbing. I'm going to change the font to something a little bit more modern. There we go. And I can download the thumbnail right here. If you want to go back to the other thumbnails, let's have AI create one more round of thumbnails to see how that would look like. Let's go back to this. This is the thumbnail we just created. Let's see if we want to use a thumbnail that has a background only. Let's regenerate that and see what comes up. So here we see a bunch of flags. I really like this thumbnail, so I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to add a text box here. And once again, I'm going to add some text to make it more compelling. This is the first one we created. This is the second one. And I would also try this one. This one looks really good. Once you've decided on the thumbnail that you want to use, you go back up and you select on View Repurposed Content. Before we get to the short form content repurposing, and I'm going to add some context. I'm going to say that the target audience is YouTubers who want to reach more people and make more money with their content by translating their videos. And the voice option I'm going to say is uplifting. Once I enter the context and the voice option, I'm going to click on Re-Optimize. It is now using your added context, and it is optimizing all of the description text as well as the titles for that specific niche. And you can see here, this title is already much better. Reach millions with AI translations. I would definitely click on it. And let's go back down here. And at the same time, we can see that here we have different types of keywords that are used, and the description is a little bit different as well. The thumbnails are the same, so let's not play around with that anymore. And now to the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's create some shorts out of my long form content. This is super powerful, and it saves me so much time to generate the titles, the descriptions, and the thumbnail, but I can do even more. So let me show you how it translates your long form 10-minute video and put it into shorts that you can then upload to drive traffic to your long form content. Without me having to click on anything, it has already created 4 different short form videos. So let's see how they look and if they're any good. So this is the highest ranking one, and it gives it a score of 87. And this is the title with certain hashtags that it would include in the title and for TikTok. If you want to make passive income with online videos, you can do that by translating content into different languages. With 11 Labs, you can now speak Spanish, Portuguese, German, Mandarin, any language you'd like, and you can reach a much broader audience. And you might, that is exactly how a short form video would look like. Wow, that is really good. It is using parts of my videos, stitching them together and adding the different captions. Let's check out another one to see if they're all this good. Once you're logged in with your account, you see the dubbing icon on the left-hand side. If you click on that, you are being located to the dubbing projects. I'm going to create a dub, and I'm going to... That is another good moment from my video that it picked in order to create a really good video. And let's check out one more before I show you how you can edit this kind of content to make it even better and personalized to your style. This is a video that showcases how 11 Labs can translate my video into different languages. I am curious to see if 11 Labs is... All right, so this is, I know exactly what part that is in my video. So subscribe to this channel if you want to see this video come out. And this was not a good short form video because it took it out of context. So I would not upload this particular video. So my process is the following. I go in here and I check out each of these videos and see if they are good enough for me to post them. If they're not, then I just disregard them. And I usually just mark them as a thumb down here. If there are videos that are borderline, I usually go in and I edit them a little bit. Let me show you how to do that. Let's say we want to change this video a little bit. We click on the edit video button here. And we're going to keep the caption title and the captions, show captions the same. We're going to keep them both on. However, we go to the design part and I want a different style. I really like the Hormozy style of captions because they really stick out to you. But you can play around with something that you like, and there's a few good ones in here that there's even the font that Mr. Beast uses. But I'm going to go back to my Hormozy style and I'm going to change it. I'm going to select a different shadow and I want the shadow to be light green. And I want the size to be actually a little bit bigger. And I'm going to keep the text color white. And the last thing that is super powerful is that you can add B-roll, and it will look for B-roll on pixels that is royalty free and add them to your video. Let's click on that and see how that looks. It says auto B-roll generation complete. Congratulations. Let's close that and let's check out how it looks. Once you log into your account, you see the dubbing icon on the left-hand side. If you click on that, you are being located to the dubbing projects. I'm going to create a dub and I'm going to call this YouTube example 1. I'm going to select the source to detect it. So it is mixing the B-roll together with your original video. If you don't like the B-roll at any point, for example, I didn't like the B-roll at the beginning, I'm just going to delete it because I didn't think that B-roll added anything to it. But as I go through the video and I see it adding content, for example, at the 23-second mark, let's check that out. Detect it for the fun of it. I just created just for the fun of it, right? Let's click on upload. I have an example video that I just created in order. So it has the dancing version here, but as I click on the upload, I actually want that to be somewhere else as well. So I'm also going to delete this B-roll. In this particular case, it only added 2 B-roll images to my video. But that is good enough in order to make it unique. And once I'm happy with this video, I'm going to simply select, and I get the video rendered and downloaded to my computer, and it is updated to the platform as well. And it just finished rendering, and here we have the final video. Once you're logged in with your account, you see the dubbing icon on the left-hand side. That is very dynamic and very engaging. So overall, it did a good job picking out the engaging bits of the video and then adding really engaging captions and B-roll to it. So this short form creation feature alone saves me 45 minutes per short form clip. Let me show you how to create text-based posts for your X account and for your LinkedIn. And then let me show you how you can schedule this to your timeline to post across all of your social media channels. Once you go back to your Shorts channel here, you can go over to the text part. On the text section here, you can see a LinkedIn post that I generated from this particular video. The LinkedIn post goes something like this. What if your content could speak to the world, literally? Imagine turning your existing videos into multilingual masterpieces, reaching audiences in Spanish, Mandarin, German, and beyond. And that's just in a few clicks. Really captivating article that is optimized for LinkedIn. And I can simply go and connect this to my LinkedIn and have it be posted there. At the same time, it also created a Twitter or a thread or an X thread. Want to earn passive income and reach global audiences with your videos? AI tools like 11 Labs make it instantly easy to translate your content into any language automatically. Here's how to do it in step-by-step and making money doing so. And it's a thread with 10 posts. So I would read through all of these and make sure that they are in the language how I would say something, and make sure that they are quality content. If they're not, then I can simply change something around them. For example, I don't like the use of the emoji here, so I can simply delete the emoji. And I can add other stuff to the thread as well. For example, here I would say, reach more people equals more opportunities equals more money. I would read the rest of this here, but if I'm happy with it, I go back to my header and I can simply click on publish. And I can publish it to my linked X account. And here is the post that has been posted. How cool is that? A powerful feature that I also use is to generate a blog post out of this video. So let's do that. Simply click on the Generate Blog Content button. This takes a few seconds, and it will generate an entire blog post for you that you can then copy into your own webpage. And this is the blog post that it generated. How to reach global audience with AI-powered video translations. And then it goes into the content. It has a few bullet points, and it goes into all of the steps that I cover in the video. All right, so I go over here, I click on copy the HTML, I go back to my website, and I create a new post. I'm gonna click as edit as HTML, and I just copy in my whole entire HTML tag that was just given to me. I take out the title and add it to the title right here. And I'm gonna save the draft and see how it looks like. There we go. Perfectly formatted with H1, H2, and bullet settings. And it even includes list items and different bullet points. All of this would take me hours after I create a video, and now I can do it within a few minutes all together in one place. Over here, you can click on Bulk Auto Schedule. I select the videos that I liked. In this case, it was video 1 and video 2. I didn't check out the other videos, so I'm not gonna publish them quite right now. And I select Continue. I have linked my YouTube account, and I'm gonna select my own account. I'm gonna select post them on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, as well as Sunday, and I want them to be posted. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow I want them to be posted at 8 a.m. as well as at 11 a.m. And it will pick a random time in this time frame. I will do the same for my TikTok channel. And I'm also gonna select Thursday and Friday during the morning hours. And we're also gonna publish the videos on X as well. So let me select that as well. And now we just have to select schedule content, and it will auto schedule the posting of the videos on all of these different platforms all at once. It is currently scheduling them. And if you wanna see when they are scheduled to be posted, simply go over here and click on the content calendar. We see here all of the videos that are scheduled to be posted, and we can see that one of the TikToks is scheduled to be posted tomorrow. Then the next one is scheduled for next week. And then the 2 YouTube shorts are scheduled for these 2 days. And this is what will be scheduled on March 15th at 5 a.m. Once you're logged in with your account, you see the dubbing icon. And this is the title. These are the hashtags. And if you want to reschedule, you can click on the reschedule button here to change the date. And here's one more trick that I will show you that makes this whole software worth it. And this helps me revive my old content that wasn't getting a lot of clicks and is now getting much more clicks because it optimizes the SEO of those videos. And you can simply do that by clicking on the backlog boost button. Click on it and select the channel. It is selecting my channel, and the videos that aren't getting a lot of views right now have a Taja score of 1. So in this case, I'm going to select on revive video. And all of that will increase the SEO likelihood of being clicked on by people. And if it's a good video, hopefully it will take off from there. And what it will do is it will re-optimize the title, the description, and the keywords, and hopefully give it a boost in the algorithm. So if it's a good video that people like, maybe it just had a bad description and a bad thumbnail, so people didn't click on it. But if you can change those things, maybe it picks up and gets more views after changing the description. And as you can see here, it gave me a new title suggestion, a better description, and more tags. So since this video isn't getting a lot of views right now, I'm going to click on customize, and I'm going to give Taja a little bit of context and say that the target audience is people who want to learn how to create a custom wedding song for themselves or their friends without knowing how to play an instrument or sing. And I'm going to click on re-optimize. And it gave me a better title. It optimized it for these things right here. And it even gave me better keywords that you can see here, 60, 65, 60, 61, that are all definitely better than what I had in there before. Let's check out the different title, how to make a custom wedding song with AI, easy guide. I like this title better, so let's go with that. And there we have it. We optimized this, and now I could go in here and post this on my YouTube channel. And now I could go in here and create a short form video as well, but I'm not doing that because the video is already going pretty long. So you're probably wondering, this is a super powerful software. It's probably crazy expensive. And the answer is, it depends. I am going with the unlimited plan because it is totally worth it for me. So you can see if this is something that is worth it to you. If you click on the link in the description, they do offer a free trial and will give you a discount on the first month if you use the code that is in the description. And if it's not worth it, that's cool. But I know for me, it's totally worth the time and effort. And that's why I went with the unlimited plan. If you can't afford it, I totally get it. You can use the free resource in the link in the description that has a few ChatGPT prompts that I've been using until I found this tool that now saves me hours per week. If you made it until this point, it means that you probably got some value out of it. If so, I would appreciate a like or a comment to see what you got out of it, and maybe even subscribe if this is the kind of content that you want to see in the future. And if not, then we probably won't see each other in this video.